I've actually understood really well. We had people coming from the lecture capture team in our lecture, and they asked questions, and if we had any questions, they answered. So other than that, I didn't think I needed they told about some features the lecture capture system has, and they were very useful features. You can make like notes on a like a actual video. You can make notes on the lecture capture system as well, which is great. I didn't know about it until they told us about it. But other than that, I've not had issues with it. You know, it's always worked for me. So I've never really had to ask anyone for help or anything like that.
The system itself, it was quite self-explanatory, so you'd be able to use it on your like by yourself, and that is more straightforward because of the way that they've integrated it into the Moodle pages. You're able to click onto that lecture, and you'll be able to be put onto that specific lecture video that they've made in the lecture capture system. So it's more straightforward and self-explanatory for the student.
To be honest, I didn't really have any difficulty. So it's the fact that if we felt like, well, where are they? If they hadn't been uploaded, we could ask as lecturers and stuff. So I feel like we did. If I needed help, I felt like it was there. But I think the ease of use of the system made it pretty much straightforward.